Hey guys, it's Rose here from Rewritten Vintage Journals. Haha, that's a mouthful. And I just want to let you know some updates for some of the stuff that I've been adding to my shop and some new things that I'm doing because I am in overabundance of goodies and I need to share. So I turned the light off because there was a lot of glare. No, I think it's okay. Okay, so I have this cheesecloth that's dyed pink, and it is, you know, it's hand dyed, so it's not a uniform color. So there is, you know, there's spots of white, which is really pretty, and I thought it'd be perfect for our junk journals because we are always using you know, cheesecloth, and then you have to make it at the time that you want it and whatever, blah 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 blah. So anyway, so I have two colors of, I guess, shades of color pink. So this here is, let me see, this is the lighter. I hope you can see it. Maybe I'll take it out. Okay. So if you can see it, it's a soft kind of bubblegum colored pink and white. And I'm going to have quite a few of them. I just haven't got them all packaged up yet because they are on a handmade, tag that I've been die cutting out. Okay, so I'm gonna have these, and this is the light colored. Here's another one. So there, isn't it pretty? Isn't it gorgeous? The only thing is it's not very thin, and I didn't want it, or thick I should say. So it's only, what is it? It is approximately, give or take, what, 2.5 inches wide. Okay, so there's that. So there's going to be the light pink, and then this is going to be the dark. You can see that, the difference in that. And as soon as I get them packaged up and some pictures, I'm going to add it to my Etsy shop. And my Etsy shop is, because the name was already taken, and then I don't see the shop around anymore. So my shop is actually Rewritten Vintage Journals, vintage of course, because I love vintage stuff, but it was taken. So my shop on Etsy is actually Rewritten Journals, CA for Canada. Okay. So then I have, these coffee dyed Rolodex cards, and they're embossed, and they turned out so pretty. I hope you can see it. So I did a couple for like the winter theme. So there's two different styles of snowflakes, and then this one here kind of has like a trim or a holly berry going through here. You can see the leaves and the berries up in there. So there's 9 of these cards in the set, and then here's like a vine and some birds, some flowers. Here's some really nice flowers, some roses, just some fun things. Okay, so you'll get 9. And then what else? So then I have these, which is perfect for beginner journalers because you don't have your stash build up. And it took me, and I'm still building, but it took me quite a bit to get as much as I do. So I have quite an assortment now. So in this, you'll actually get 10 cards, and there's double-sided library cards, all coffee stained. And then we have 2 different kind of, or sizes of index cards. So there's the small ones, and then you have the large ones. Okay, hope you can see it. And then we have some blank Rolodex cards. And then we have some lined Rolodex cards. So you get 10 in that little bundle. Okay. Now what else? So I do have, what did I do with it? So I have some of these already pre-made in my shop, and it seems like this one has lost its suction, which is bizarre. So anyway, I have some slow stitch kits, which are perfect for junk journaling because you have your coordinating fabrics for your covers and then your pockets and your spine and all that. And these are actually really, really big pieces, and I'm pretty sure that I put the dimensions on. I put the dimensions of the pieces of fabric. So you'll get some crocheted lace, a doily. There's some really small crocheted ribbon there, pink, and some ribbons, and some thread, and some lace here, some seam binding, and then some hand ripped ribbon. And this is a little bit of sheer. And then there's like coordinating colors, just gorgeous, of fabrics, and pretty big pieces as well. So you could do, you could do probably 2 or 3 journals with it. Yeah, and I think there, oh yeah, there's some beads. I feel it in there. So there's some beads and some buttons in there as well. So there's that. That one's already listed. Well, this one's heavy. This one's actually really heavy. So there is some lace there. And all of the pictures are on my Etsy shop. Like, it'll show you all the pieces that you're getting. I just wanted to show you here all this. Some threads and this is some vintage lace, some threads, all coordinating colors. And then, okay. And then there's this one. And I think this is the garden one. Again, they're all sections, so trying to keep the shipping down for you guys. But the colors are just gorgeous. And there's some lace, and all the pictures are, all the stuff that you get in the kit is listed on Etsy in the picture section. And then this one here, I forgot to actually put in there, so it'll just go in the envelope with it as well. But all the stuff that you need to do covers, and then you don't have to go searching for all the coordinating colors. You already have it. Or you can use it for slow stitching as well. That's, either or. So that's that one. Okay. So then I made some lace kits, and these are all, suction. It's got all the air out. So this is pack A, and this is an assortment of colors and different pieces of lace. And they're pretty long pieces. Some of them are like 2 meters. Okay. So I think I have a couple of them I have already sold. Yeah, these are all the A. In my shop, it's all A. They're just really pretty. Okay. So there's that. And then we have some cream ones. And I think a couple of those has sold. And actually one went to Northwest Territories, which is pretty awesome. This here is like an ecru color. It's not really cream, but it can be, I guess. And there's some beautiful lace with beadings. Hope you can see it. But if not, you can see it right in my Etsy shop. And this is beautiful lace as well. And what else do we have? Okay. And then some black. We have some black, and there's 2 or 3 kinds of flat black lace, just gorgeous. I know this one here, you probably can't see it, but like I said, the pictures are on there. They're just gorgeous. Okay, so that's that bundle. Okay, what else do I got going on here? Okay. And I've been trying to do it as quick as I can for you guys, but it doesn't seem like it works out that way. Not for me anyway. I just got too much distractions. But eventually it'll all be uploaded. Okay, so here's another kit, slow stitch slash junk journaling kit. Okay, so there's beautiful, and there's quite a bit, right? So there's a cover, and I press them and everything before I seal them. So there's that, and then just all coordinating so you don't have to go looking like I had. When I was doing it, I had to go to the different stores and trying to find coordinating because I didn't have a stash, right? Like, aren't those two beautiful together? Okay, and then there's this, another huge piece. And that's why I did it, just to keep you guys in mind, to have, like, there are some pockets, and then we just have some white, because white's good for everything, right? And then here's a piece. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of fabric. So you could get quite a few journals and pockets and stuff. And then I added some hand torn ribbon, 2 different colors. And then there's this trim here, which matches. And then we have some brown lace. Okay. And then we have that bluey colored lace. And then some ribbon to match. Okay. I think those are 1 meter long. And then we have some brown embroidery floss. Blech, I can't talk today. And this here is really, really vintage seam binding. Brown. And then we have, I hand dyed this, coffee dyed it, and crinkled it up. And then we have, there's going to be some glass beads with this. And then, like, coordinating buttons to go with it. And these here, like, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it with my coffee dyed hand, stained hand. But I hope you can see that. Anyway, this is a vintage button with some flowers on it, middle. And this one here is a middle one. And this one here is beautiful with middle flower on it. And then we have this brown one. This one here is a multicolored one. There's a bit of blue in there. Matches perfectly. And some beige ones. Okay, so that's that kit. And I have not got that one packaged up. There's only going to be one of that. So slow stitch, perfect for your journals. You can have tags, pockets, buttons, collages. I mean, it's awesome. These here, yeah, you can do definitely more than one journal with it. Definitely more. So I will get that one packaged up today and added to my shop. And I think I still have some journals. There's 2 journals on sale. The Edith Holden Folio, and it has a journal with it. And then the fall journal as well. That is on sale, and a couple others. Oh yes, what else have I been doing? So I've been doing some fun stuff with my paper, and I love using the legal size, because if you're doing a book like the little golden books, and your paper, your 8.5 by 11 isn't big enough, then these are perfect, and that's why I use it. And then I can trim it if I need to, but it's perfect for wider books, right? So I love it. And then I've been experimenting with these things, and so this is actually pumpkin. I love it. So let's see. Yes. Okay. So can you see that? I thought it was the cutest thing ever. So there's the pumpkin in there, but two sheets. You just wouldn't get that whole big pumpkin effect on your paper if you had to fold it. So that's what I'm working on. And because I was out of coffee dyed paper, and I thought, yeah, okay, so I need to do it. So I might as well take a couple days and make a great big stash of it. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm also going to be working on an Anne of Green Gables journal. It's going to be a big one. I've just kind of started picking the stuff for it, and look at this beautiful fabric that I've gotten. So I'm not quite sure which one I want to use. At first, it was going to be this one, just because I love it. But then I went and found this really cheap, $1.99. You can't beat that. And then I found this. Can you see it? I don't know. The only thing is this kind of has a little tinge of a blue, like a blue-green to it. I wanted more of a green, but I don't know. I don't know. It sure is pretty. And I have enough of this that I might be able to cut some pieces up and put it in my shop, because I'm not gonna, it's a huge piece. I'm not ever gonna use it all, but it's so pretty. Anyway, guys, happy Saturday. Happy crafting. I know Tim Holtz is actually live right now. So I know everyone's probably watching that, which is awesome, because I'm going to go and watch it right now. But I just want to do some updates and let you guys know what's been going on with me. And I'm going to get this stuff listed in my Etsy shop and take a look. Have a great weekend, and thanks for watching, and happy Saturday. Bye. Have fun.